So you trying to make a whole lot of money in 2019? Trying to get rich, baby? Trying to get rich? You might want to watch this video.
All these people are talking about wanting to sell you a lifestyle. We're here to sell you a life.
Selling on Amazon has absolutely changed our lives.
Yo guys, it's the Dropshipping Terminator. Me and my partner, the Dan of Steel. We talk all about that Amazon life, Amazon FBA, private label dropshipping, retail arbitrage, just e-commerce in general, man. That sounds good to you? Then make sure you stick around, like, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell, get into the free Facebook group below so we can help you out. All right? For all you regulars though, you know what time it is, baby. So, what is going to be the quickest way to make money online in 2019? What's going to be the easiest way to make money online in 2019? Now, I know you guys are like, oh, I'm getting into affiliate marketing. I hope you know how. I hope you have a big audience. If you have a big audience, affiliate marketing is going to be super, super easy for you. If you do not have a big audience or look like Kylie Jenner or something, then chances are it's not going to happen. You know, if you look like us chuds over here, it's going to be very, very hard to build an audience that thinks you're sexy that you can market to. So yeah, get that out. Get it. Just no, not going to happen. Now, I know you guys are like, oh, I'm going to get into eBay drop shipping and blah, blah, blah. Have you guys seen the eBay apocalypse that's happening right now? People's sales are falling through the floor. People ain't making no money. People drop shipping on eBay. Talking, oh, I'm getting started on eBay. It's so easy. Yeah, it's easy. And it's like the lowest hanging fruit, like outside of Shopify. Like, go ahead, do it if you want. All them promoted listings and all that stuff, you ain't going to make no money. None. It will not be the fastest or the easiest way to make money in 2019. I can tell you that much. I'm not Amazon, but eBay has changed it up, and they are no longer playing the, hey, you could just do this type of game. You start uploading your listings through product software. Yeah, like it flags the eBay API, and yeah, you're gonna have to do all this stuff manually. You have to get VAs and do thousands and thousands of listings, and it's not worth it, guys. It's not worth it. If you're trying to make real money, build a real brand, eBay's not gonna do that for you. With Shopify, you can make a whole lot of money on Shopify. Yes, you can, babe. You can make plenty of it, but you're gonna need to have a lot of skills to do so. You're going to need to know how to market, build websites, or at least pay somebody. You're going to have money for advertising. You have to have money for all this stuff. So your profit margins are going to be a little bit on the low side, you know, maybe between 10 to 20% on a good month. So there's that. Now, if you do a lot of volume, then sure. But let's talk about it. You know, the biggest Shopify websites are owned by celebrities. You know, one of the Paul brothers and Kylie Jenner. They're not owned by normal everyday people. All right, it's not like me and you are the people that run the most successful Shopify stores. No, they're big, important people that do that. Okay, so there's that. I mean, you can take it with a grain of salt if you want, but last time I checked, I did not look like Kylie Jenner, and I am not one of the Paul brothers. So, that leaves us with You guys would know that from Blue's Clues if you're not, under the age of like 5. Maybe it's Blue's Clues still on? I don't know. But anyway, yeah, it's Amazon, baby. Amazon is by far the quickest and easiest way to make money in 2019. We have proven this with our students time and time again. You know, a lot of them are going from 0 to 10K in 30 days, guys. Like, it's not that difficult. Not that difficult. I mean, you just have to follow the steps. And there, yes, it depends on the niche as well. But anyone can make money on Amazon. Anybody can make money on Amazon. Literally, anybody. Anybody that really, really wants to make money on Amazon can do so. And you're not paying for traffic. It's all free. Like, you don't have to pay for traffic with Amazon. You don't have to pay for traffic with Amazon like you do for Shopify, or even like the sponsored listings on eBay. Like, you need to have promoted listings on eBay in order to make that money. I mean, it's just, you have to. I mean, if not, you're not going to make any money with eBay dropshipping. Sorry, just not going to do it. So, guys, why would you not want that? Why would you not want free money? That's pretty much what it is. It's almost free money. It's free traffic, people coming to shop. People go to Amazon to shop. They're not going to look at twerking butt videos and none of that stuff. They're going to buy things, buy leggings for their twerking butts. So yeah, like, why not? Like, it is the easiest and quickest way. Like, you could literally start selling on Amazon today and have sales in a few hours. We've proven that with our students before. They get into the course, and in 12 hours, they already have sales. They already have, a few $100s in sales. Like, what? Like, where else are you going to do that? And this is without any ad spend. You cannot do that with the Shopify store. If you build a Shopify website, you put some products up and you don't promote it whatsoever. You don't do any type of paid traffic. You don't do any type of shout outs. You don't do any type of posting about it, nothing. You just leave it there and sit. You won't get sales. All right. A pig has a better chance of flying before you'll get massive sales with a Shopify store that's not promoted. Amazon, you ain't got to promote jack squat because Amazon does it all for you. You know, I can prove it. You can take your favorite Shopify guru, pick any of your favorite Shopify gurus, tell them to come see me. We'll take any one of you guys. We'll take two random people. I will help that one person set up their Amazon business, and that guru will help the other person set up their Shopify business. We will run no paid ads, no paid traffic, no external traffic whatsoever. They both will sit there. Who do you think is going to make money? Bingo! This guy right here. Yo, I put $10,000 on it. $10,000 on it. So, who want that smoke? I bet you nobody do. So, yeah, chances are ain't nobody gonna pull that one because I'm like, oh, it's a website. You have to run traffic to it in order to get sales. Don't have to do that with Amazon though. So yeah. But granted, there are benefits to Shopify, you know, like owning your own customers and all that stuff. So it's not entirely bad. I'm just saying from the ease of use, you know, perspective. It's simplistic. You know, selling on Amazon is the easiest and fastest way to make money in 2019. You do not have to learn from us. You do not have to take our course or any of that stuff, guys. Like, just get on and start selling. Okay, just get on and start selling. It is super easy to make money with if you have the right strategies. Please don't waste time. It is 2019. It's Q1. You start now and you go through. By the time Q4 hits, your ranking, your products will be ranked. Your listings will be seasoned. You will start getting all types of buku sales. You will get money out the wazoo. I mean, you'll be doing $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 every month in Q4 potentially. All right, so please start selling because there's so much money to be made, and it's only going to get more difficult as people wise up and they get smarter and they start migrating from these other platforms that are sucking their money and they come to Amazon. What do you think's going to happen? It's going to get difficult. It's going to be real hard, but you're smart. You're not going to wait for that. You're going to get on. You're going to start selling potentially today, maybe tomorrow, or soon, hopefully. So yeah, with that being said, make sure you guys do the prereqs, man. You know, like, comment, subscribe, click the little notification bell, all that stuff. You know what to do, man. Check out the links below. You know, I ain't going to bother you with all that stuff. Just be safe, be smart, start selling, start making some money. I'm going to catch you on the next one. Peace out.